Daki hajar ngut ki riu e jingruai ki la tuat sya kachelong Cherry Blossom Festival ha RBDSA Sports Complex Boy Rembong henen kesngi ban sakhi yaki nongruai ba paunam ka perthei kumu Akon bat Boney-M. Da ka bajer kirteng ya kane ka Tamasa hadian ka jingpu jong usentiu dingling badan hashi lenter ki surok jong kanong ba haki benai telang ya kane ka Tamasa ruai bat tem las dang ban ruai da ki nong ruai ba paunam ka perthei bat kum jo ki nong ruai ba pau ka than chate lami ngi haba jing kren chikilat pathai khubor haba kut jong ka te sngi u Akon ulai yaro ye ki nong penyat ka Cherry Blossom Festival ha Meghalaya.
Well, this is my first experience on this region, but I know before I leave, I'll probably get more experience. But for the most part, now that I know it actually exists, I'll pay attention more for sure. Oh no, the music scene in India is A1. You know, one of my biggest records was here in India. You know, so we definitely love the music here. The way it actually coincides with the film world here as well is very powerful.